to my channel, guys, and today I'm going to show you how I make some mini zucchini cups with some tuna combined with some cream cheese, guys. This is so perfect for cocktails. All right, so I am going to be listing all details in the description box below. I'm using red and yellow bell pepper with some red onions. I'm also using some black pepper, some parsley, and some smoked paprika that brings back that flavor with that tuna, guys. All right, we have some lemon, cream cheese, we got a tuna. So first of all, what I want to do is put this tuna in the bowl, but before you do that, you need to squeeze all that water out from it. Okay, then I'm going to just give it a nice little mash. And you can make double the amount, right? Just double the ingredients, then add that bell pepper and the onion in there. Guys, give it a nice little mash again. We gotta mash as we go. I just love to see the colors. Now I'm going to add the black pepper, smoked paprika, and the parsley. You can also use fresh parsley if you have, all right? And combine them well. Use as much lemon juice as you want into your mixture. I just love to taste that lemon juice, especially when I'm doing fish, all right? And this is perfect for the tuna. Then 1 tablespoon of softened cream cheese and combine it well. Simple, easy, guys. Set this aside. Now I'm going to cut my zucchinis into 1-inch rounds using a melon baller, or you can also use a spoon, but I am going to use my knife, guys, because I don't have a baller. And you know, the zucchini is a little much stiffer than the cucumber, so I take my fine tip sharp knife and just make a circular motion in the middle of my zucchini, like 3/4 way down, leaving the bottom intact. Once that is done, simple, easy, just start to fill. Fill them up like this, decorate them, guys, and there you have some perfect cocktail. Let me tell you, this is an amazing recipe. It finished like in 20 minutes, guys. Give it a try. Let me know how it turned out, if you like it, and enjoy. See you in my next video.